Hey there beautiful people, in today's video I'm going to show you my wash day routine using rice water and Creme Nature's Pure Honey Line. So without any further ado, let's get it. Alright, so first things first, you're going to need a bag of rice. You can use white rice, brown rice, orange rice, it doesn't matter what kind of rice, and also a bowl. So what you're going to do, you're going to pour some rice into the bowl. It's safe to measure about a cup of rice if you want to, but you're more than welcome to put as much or as little rice as you would like. Next, you're going to put water inside of a bowl. So you want to have more water in the bowl because you want to make sure that you have enough water to use and pour upon your head. Put enough water inside the bowl just to make sure that, it's pretty much a lot of water to cover my whole head. So next thing you're going to do is you're going to put saran wrap over the bowl, or if you have a bowl that comes with a lid, you're more than welcome to put the lid over the bowl just so that way everything is sealed in and it actually does what it does. Alright, so you can leave it for as long as you want to, but I prefer leaving it overnight because I want it to be like really cloudy and I want to get the full effect. So once you're done, letting it sit out for a while, then you're going to pour the water into a cup or another bowl. You just need to make sure that you get the water outside of the bowl. Now, you don't want little grains of rice in your hair when you wash your hair, right? Okay, no, I'm just kidding. Alright, so like I said in today's video, I'm using Creme Nature's Pure Honey line. Y'all, I love this line because honey is really good for your hair. So when I saw this line, I was like, oh, I gotta get on that. So far, I am loving these products, okay? Alright, so first things first, I like to, of course, stretch out my hair, comb it out and everything. And when I use the water, I like to put it in spots that I know need it the most, like my edges, the back of my hair, parts in the middle. All in all, I like to pour all over my hair because I want my whole hair to be healthy, I want it to be strong, and I want it to be covered by the water. So that's why I say you have to make sure you have enough water to make sure that you have enough on your hair. So once I pour all the water on my hair, I split my hair into 2, 4, 6, doesn't matter, depends on my mood, just so that way, I can just get it, spread it all over my hair because I don't want it to just be in one section of my hair. I want it all over my head. So while I have the rice water still on my head, I like to massage it onto my scalp. So I'll massage it on my edges, on my scalp, on my BBs, my sideburns. Just make sure the rice gets all over my hair. And I just like to rub it in and just moisturize it into my hair because the benefits are amazing. You have to look it up. I'll put an article down in the description box just so that way you can read and do your own research, just so you know that this stuff is real. So after I do that, I put on a plastic cap and I let it sit on my hair for at least 15 minutes, sometimes 20. It just depends on how long I have in the shower or how long I have that day. And then once I'm done, I take it off my hair and I still massage it because there is nothing like a good massage on your scalp. Scalp massages are the best thing for your scalp, especially if you want your hair to grow. So thank me later. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair using the shampoo. And y'all, I know they said use a quarter size. Nah, bro, a quarter size don't work for me. So I like to use as much as I can, but try not to use too much. But y'all, look at this lather though. Like, I know sometimes with other shampoos, you have to like put way too much, or you have to do a second time to get that lather. No, honey, look at that first. Just look at that. The first time it will lather like that. So because my hair is really thick, I like to use the Tangle Teaser, which is so good. It's really good for really thick hair, especially 4C hair. Excuse me, my camera got a little foggy. I guess it's a little warm in the shower. But yeah, y'all, this is like the best thing for thick, kinky hair, y'all. It does not, pull out your hair or anything. And now I'm going to proceed to use the conditioner. So I'm going to put as much as I can on my hair to make sure all of my strands are covered. And just, oh my god, y'all, this line is like so amazing. Like, I'm so glad that they came out with these products. I wish I could use this as a wash and go right now, because look at those curls, honey. Yes, yes, yes. My hair is getting so long. Oh my goodness. But yes, I love how it makes my curls pop, and I just love how it makes my hair feel. It's really slippy, and yeah, this stuff is good. So I'm gonna leave it on for 5 minutes, and I'll be back. And after that, I rinse out using cool or cold water. It depends on the season, because I don't want to be freezing in the shower. And look at that, y'all. I'm telling you. Look at that. Look at that. Yes. Oh, yes, some curls is on point. All right, so now I'm going to use the hair mask. And the hair mask is simply for deep conditioning purposes. So when I'm not in a rush, I have a deep conditioning routine that I did a video on, so I can link it here so you guys can see it. But yeah, pretty much I just put the deep conditioner on, then I put my plastic cap on, sit in the dryer, or if I'm in a shower, I'll put my plastic cap on, wash myself, shave, do all the other stuff, and then before I know it, 15 minutes is up. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it on for 20 minutes. And yeah, I can't even get my fingers together. And we'll see you later. Alright, so once I'm done, I'm going to rinse that out with cool or cold water, depending on the season. Alright, so now my wash day is done, and my hair is nice and clean. And my curls are on point. Hallelujah, won't he do it? So now I'm going to go ahead and twist my hair. I'm going to do 2 strand twists on my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Tangle Teaser to kind of detangle my hair. I'm going to use the leave-in conditioner, which is so amazing, and it smells so good, and it leaves my hair so refreshed, so shiny. Yes, I know I'm doing the most, but that's how excited I am about this product line. Like, it's amazing, y'all. I love products with honey in it, or shea butter, just anything that's good for, you know, especially 4C hair. I just love it, y'all. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and proceed to twist my hair in 2 strand twists, and just look at that shine, y'all. Can we just give a round of applause for the shine my hair has right now? Okay, thank you guys. But yeah, this shine is amazing. I know that's their campaign slogan right now, but I am hooked on this honey line, because my hair is just so bomb using this stuff. Alright, so now I'm going to continue to finish my twist. And look at that, y'all. Look at them juicy twists, honey. Yes, so my hair is nice, twisted. It is refreshed. Rice water is on it. It's a good night. It's a good night. So let's hope my twists come out great in the morning. I'm gonna go to night and we'll see you guys tomorrow. So it's the next day, and my twists are ready to be taken apart. So let's take them apart. I know some people use oil on their fingers to take their hair apart, but me, I just like to go ahead and take them apart, because I'm ready to, you know, take them apart and get them separated. So I'm just going to unravel the twist, and then I'm going to separate each twist and each crinkled part, just so that way, you know, I go ahead and take care of it. So my hair was like this before, but as soon as I walked outside, poof, the humidity took over. But I just love how kinky my hair is, how refreshed it is, and yeah. So this is pretty much how I incorporate rice water into my routine. So hopefully you guys, like I said, just do your research, find out the benefits of it. And if you have not tried it, try it. And also, if you have not tried this Creme Nature's Pure Honey line, you need to get on it. I will leave a link down below so that you can have a chance to try it yourself. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know down below what you guys think. And if you guys would like more hair tutorials, I'll be glad to do it. Let me know down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Peace.